Hi all, welcome to another session on natural language processing. In this video, we are going to discuss the case study that is Twitter analysis. Let's see why we have chosen this for your case study. Sentiment analysis of tweets provides exciting opportunities. Being able to analyze tweets in real time and determine the sentiment that underlies each message adds a new dimension to social media monitoring. Let's see what do you mean by sentiment analysis. Knowing sentiment is a very natural ability of a human being. Sentiment analysis aims at getting sentiment related knowledge, especially from the huge amount of information on the internet. These are the different stages in sentiment analysis. The input is the text input. After that, it will go to tokenization, then stop word filtering, then handling the negations in that tokens, then stemming. After that, we will go for classification and we will put that into different sentimental classes. Tweet analysis can be considered as a subset of the sentiment analysis. So let's move to our problem statement, that is to analyze the different tweets based on a subject. Before moving to a coding, we have to install some Python libraries. I will tell you what all libraries you have to install and the relevance of each library. The first one is 2p. 2p is the Python client for the official Twitter API. To install that, you just take the conda environment and in that give pip install 2p. The next one is test blob. That is a Python library for processing textual data. You can use the command in the conda environment like pip install text blob. Another one is NLP corpora. That is nothing but a large and structured set of tests. So when you want to have tweet analysis, you have to make use of this corpora as well. And for that, in your conda environment, just give python -m testblob.download_corpora. So that's all about the installations you need. The next step is you have to do some pre-work before starting coding in Python. The first one is you have to authenticate yourself to Twitter. For that, you have to start an account in Twitter, and once your account is ready, go and create a new app. Okay, fill application details they ask for. Once that is done, you have created that app and you will be redirected to that app page. Okay, there you can see a tab named keys and access tokens. Okay, from there copy the consumer key, consumer secret, access token and access token secret and saved it in a notepad. You will use these keys in your Python program for getting the informations or tweets from the tweet API. So let's see what are the different steps we are going in Jupyter Notebook. First, you have to collect the tweets on a subject from Twitter with the help of 2p. Then perform a sentiment analysis on it. And finally give a report showing the polarity and subjectivity of tweets. So that's about an introduction to your case study. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.